Hi. Okay, I put a video from my YouTube channel on division, but this one is going to be on multiplying, which is actually probably the easiest thing to do with fractions. Addition and subtraction, you have to make sure they have the same bottom. Division, there's like the whole keep, change, flip business. With multiplication, it's really straight across and then simplify. Here's an example. Let's say we do 3/4 times 7/8. Can you see that? Let's find out. You can totally see that. You are literally gonna go across, okay? So you're gonna go 3 times 7, 21. And then we're gonna do 4 times 8, 32. Okay? From here, you have to simplify. I always tell folks, simplify by 2, 3, or 5. Yes, sometimes there's gonna be like a giant number that both of them, if you're really good with your times tables, you can do least common multiple. You can think of the biggest thing both pieces, your top and your bottom, have in common. Divide that, you'll get the simplest simplified version you can ever imagine. But not all of us are good at that. And even if we are and we're stressed or we're tired, that might not be the way. So 2, 3, and 5 will pretty much get you there or get you going and get you out of the frozen mode. Does 21 divide by 2? No. Does 32 divide by 2? Yeah, but they both have to divide by the same thing. 21 divides by 3, yes, but 32 doesn't. This one has nowhere to go. So the final answer for this one would be 21 over 32, okay? Let's do another one real quick. 1/8 times 16 fourths, okay? Great. We're gonna multiply across 16 over 32. Great. We're gonna ask ourselves, okay, do these things divide by 2, 3, or 5? They both divide by 2. Let's do it. But what if they both divide by 2 different numbers? Just pick one. If they both divide by 3 and they both divide by 5, which one's your favorite to divide by? Do that one as long as you're doing the same for the top and the bottom. So for me, and you're smart. You may see this and know where it's going. But again, if you don't, you can do this method to inch yourself through. I'm just gonna divide by 2 on each one. 8/16. Can I do it again? Yes. Can I do it again? Yes. Oh my goodness. Are we going off camera? Are we? Oh my gosh, we're so close. Okay, we can do it again. 1/2. Now you may have over here at 16 over 32 gone, that can simplify because they both divide by 16. Is this more efficient? Sure. But again, if this method is not something you're comfortable doing, efficiency, whatever, who cares if it's not something you can do. So I show both ways, but multiplication is probably the easiest operation you can do. Let me show you one more little tidbit. If you find yourself in an improper fraction, let me just remind you, big number on top, no bueno. We're gonna literally divide it. 15 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12, that's 3, because 4 times 4 is 16, that's too far. 4 times 3, with a remainder of 3. That remainder goes right here, okay? Here's another hint. If you have a calculator, okay? Take your 15 over your 4, okay? Put it in the calculator. It will give you 3.75, okay? What if you don't know what 0.75 is? Oh, let me show you. So calculator mode, if you put this in the calculator, you would get 3.75. And your teacher's like, it has to be in fraction form. Okay. 0.75 is really 75 over 100. And then you reduce it. 25 goes in 3 times, 25 goes in 4 times. Oh, look, 3 3/4. Bam. I hope that helps.